Once again, you're welcome back. My name is Victor Digomo here. We are still looking at questions around variation. All right, we've taken a lot of questions already, and I want to take these two questions at a time. There are two questions here. I want to take both of them at a time. All right, the first one says y is inversely proportional to x, and y is 4 when x is half. Find x when y is 10. It's a Jamb question. So, y is inversely proportional to x, and y is, so when we talk about inverse variation, how do we express it? How do we express it? If I say that, if I say that x is directly proportional to t, you write it as x like this, then t, and then you say x is equals to a t, where this is constant of proportionality. I've done a class already on that. But when you now say that x, the term they use here is x, let me not misplace it. So when they say now x is inversely proportional to y, inverse proportion is expressed like this, x like this, you now say 1 over y. So you can now rewrite it as x is equals to k over y, where this k now is constant of proportionality. Remember, when you say two things are inversely proportional to each other, when one is increasing, the other is decreasing. I hope that is clear. Okay, but in the case of direct proportion, both of them is either increasing or they are decreasing. All right, let's take the figures they gave us here. They say when y is 4, x is half. When y is 4, x is half. So I will come here and say 1x is half. That, yeah, 1 over 2 equals to k over 4. So if you cross multiply here, do we get cross multiply here? You're going to get 1 over 2 times 4 equals to k. So you have k equals to 2. I hope that is clear. So back to this expression, you will see that x is equals to 2 over y. That's how it is going to be, and I can call it an equation. All right, because I'm going to use it to answer the following question that says, when find x when y is 10. Find x when y is 10. So when y is 10, x will be 2 over 10, and x will be 1 over 5. That's it. That's it. I don't think there's any other thing there. Let me take the second question. The second question, in this second question, they gave the mathematical expression. Of course, in this case, I can see from what I'm seeing here that it's still in inverse variation. It's still in inverse variation, because what they gave here is, they said if r is equals to k over h, then you say r is equals to 5, comma, when h is equals to 12. Then find r when h is 20. Find r, comma, when h is 20. So having expressed this, you put this here. 5 is equals to h being 12, k over 12. Obviously, if you cross multiply this, you obtain that k is equals to 5 times 12. That's 60. Okay, so k is 60. So we can replace it back here and have our r equals to 60 over h. So they now say find r when h is 20. So when h is 20, our r, which is equals to k over h, will be r equals to 60 over 20, and r is equals to 3. I hope that is clear. When h is 20, make a replacement for h here, and then you get the value. All right, If we come across more questions, this is not all we have to offer you guys in evaluation. We have more questions that from Jamb and VIC that we still look at. So subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share to your friends out there. It's a way of encouraging us. It's a way of assessing other classes we have, how many classes, how many of them we have already. And if you do that, you're also encouraging us in what we are doing. So I trust God you will do that. Thank you so much for being there.